Dear brothers and sisters, what if every member of parliament in India had a humanoid robot assistant, not just to carry files but to analyze laws, respond to public queries, and monitor ground-level realities with unmatched accuracy? Welcome to a bold new era, AI-driven parliamentary support where humanoid robots don't replace leaders, they empower them to serve better, faster, and smarter. Imagine, one robot per MP equipped with data, logic, and zero bias. Today we ask, can India become the world's first democracy where technology doesn't threaten democracy, but strengthens it? This is Mission Viksit India, your channel dedicated to India's development journey toward 2047. In every video, we bring forward futuristic, actionable innovation ideas that can transform governance, science, and society. Today's video introduces the AI Parliamentary Assistant, a revolutionary concept that could redefine how MPs stay connected with their constituencies. We all know, India's 543 MPs are entrusted with monumental responsibilities: lawmaking, policy debates, parliamentary committees, and national duties. Most MPs are based in Delhi during the parliament sessions and high-level meetings, but this often leaves little time for consistent, on-ground presence in their Lok Sabha constituencies. And yet people face pressing local issues: poor waste management, traffic chaos and broken roads, stray cattle and dogs, power shortages, broken public infrastructure, unattended sanitation issues. Worse still, in certain cases, bureaucratic neglect of an MP's constituency can arise due to political rivalry, in-party disputes, or even targeted vendetta, leading to public suffering, regardless of who is elected. This must change. Now imagine this. Every MP is supported by a humanoid robot assistant, an AI-powered field companion that travels across the constituency, listens to people, observes conditions, and compiles objective, real-time reports. This robot will not just walk beside the MP, it will become an extension of their service to the people. It will be programmed to record high-resolution visuals of public spaces, geotag civic issues like potholes, garbage piles, broken lights, track stray animals and street safety issues, analyze cleanliness, infrastructure, and service delivery, monitor biodiversity, rural economy, and urban ecology, generate constituency-wise dashboards with real-time data. And all of this, without bias, without delay, without bureaucratic filtration, the robot can automatically issue structured alerts and emails to local administrators, suggest immediate action, and escalate non-compliance with evidence. And here's the transformative part. If officials ignore AI-generated alerts, they can be held accountable. The AI-generated reports, if authenticated by public, can act as a real-time constituency report card, a basis for performance review, a tool to ensure equal service delivery to all constituencies, regardless of party politics. Let us be clear, the humanoid robot is not a replacement for the MP. Instead it is an assistant, a public service monitor, a real-time communicator between people, local administration, and parliament. Through this innovation, we reduce the dependency on filtered ground reports and enable direct insight, even when MPs are physically away from their constituencies. By the year 2047, when India aims to become a fully developed nation, such innovations won't be luxuries. They will be essential tools for efficient governance. So let's envision one AI assistant per MP, one transparent report per constituency, one empowered democracy leading the world in technology-integrated governance. We in Mission Viksit India urge India's policymakers, the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, MITY, Ministry of Electronics and IT, AI innovators and robotics companies to consider piloting this model. Let India be the first democracy to deploy AI assistants for elected representatives in service of the people. If you believe this idea can revolutionize Indian governance, make this idea a movement, share this video with your MP, comment with your thoughts and suggestions, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to support Mission Viksit India. Let's bring Parliament closer to people. Let's make governance smarter, faster, and fairer. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.